Beyonce lends a helping hand to Hurricane Harvey victims. Queen Bee paid a visit to her hometown church in Houston, Texas to aid in hurricane relief after the natural disaster left the city flooded.
And it's so sentimental seeing Beyonce here because she hadn't been able to come for a long time.
Only E.T. was inside the service as Blue Ivy, Beyonce, and Knowles Lawson attended a special service. It wasn't long before the Formation singer and her mother Tina took to the stage to speak to the congregation.
This church is my home. I was maybe 9 or 10 years old the first time I sat there with my daughter sitting, and I sang my first solo here. And I just want to thank you for lifting my family up, for praying for me, and for being such an incredible example of what light and love is. And this today is a celebration of survival. Yes. Y'all are my family. Houston is my home. I thank God that y'all are safe, that your children are safe.
She started singing on the stage, so it was really emotional.
Mama Tina also left evacuees with some encouraging words she once received from their pastor.
Said to me, Tina, you're going through this, which means you gotta come up on us.
Yeah. Earlier in the day, Tina and former Destiny's Child member Michelle Williams fed those in need through the Be Good Foundation. Houston resident Craig Menzino, who attended the gathering, told E.T., quote, "They're greeting everyone, making them all feel special." At one point, our insider says Tina was heard encouraging the victims to continue to be strong.
You know, it's just, this is a celebration that we're still here. Not a sad event, it's a celebration of survival.